Good morning. Look at these beautiful flowers. I've recently received these from work colleagues to say thank you. Just beautiful. Hello, it's Friday the 14th of June and welcome to my Friday vlogs. It's a bit late in the day, it's 2 o'clock. It's been a funny old day weather-wise. I showed some grey clouds this morning, but it's absolutely bucketed it down. I had washing on the line and got soaking, just dragging that back in. I've had to do some work today, and then I've done some cleaning, and now I've just popped down our town because I need to do some bank stuff and go in person. So yeah, not really much to share at the moment, but I'm hoping to do a bit of crafting later. So yeah, hope everyone is okay, and let's get to the bank. More rain. Rain. I only had a t-shirt on for this journey, and yeah, even though this is all we're getting, I wasn't really prepared. Hi everyone. It's much later in the day now. It's about 5:45. Yeah, it's been a funny day. I think I said that earlier. We've had such strange weather. I've been caught in the rain loads of times. But it looks like a nice evening. We've got some blue sky, but loads of clouds still. I'm with Alfie. I'm in the conservatory doing my first bit of knitting all week. It's been such a busy work week, and I haven't really had the kind of concentration in the evening to do anything apart from watching a bit of TV. So yeah, I'm just going to enjoy a bit of knitting. The plan for tonight is we are probably going to have pizza for tea and watch the football. It's Germany, Scotland. So yeah, we're looking forward to that as a family, so it should be nice. And then a bit of a peaceful weekend. I've done lots of the house cleaning. I've got some gardening to do at the weekend, but other than that, I'll relax. Look at Alfie having a nice old wash. See you later. So for anyone that doesn't know this pattern, this is the Felix cardigan. This is a third one that I've made. I'm making this longer than the previous because I want to wear this with jeans. I've got 3 skeins of the colourful yarn and I'm using drops merino. Thank you everyone for watching. Quick vlog today, but hope you still enjoyed. Bye.